Welcome back, everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML elements. And right now, we'll be discussing about HTML unordered lists and what we can do with it. The HTML UL tag defines an unordered bulleted list. Unordered HTML list An unordered list starts with the UL tag. Each list item starts with the LI tag. The list items will be marked with bullets, small black circles by default. For example, we can have our UL tag along with what? Our LI tags, opening and closing LI tag. Inside our opening and closing LI tag, we can have our text, whatever content we want to write there. As you can see, we can have multiple LI tags inside one UL. So quickly, let's continue our discussion. We have discussed about this in our previous tutorial. You can watch our playlist on HTML lists, on ordered lists also. So right here, we are going to use on ordered list, on ordered HTML list. Choose list item marker. Choose list item marker. The HTML list style type property is used to define the style of the list item marker. It can have one of the following values. It can have disk value, circle value, square value, and none value. And this value sets the list item marker to a bullet. That is the default. The circle sets the list item marker to a circle, and the square set the list item marker to a circle, to a square, and the none set the list items. The list items will not be marked. That is none. That is, we are going to have it like this, and we can have different of it. For example, one can have disk. So let me quickly show you how it goes. Back to our document. This is what we are having in our previous tutorial, where we discussed about the data list, detail list element. You can check our tutorial on listing, where you can find the tutorial on this if you don't know how we got here. And this is the document that gave us this. So this one is for our data detail list in HTML. Quickly, let's delete this because this is not what we want today. We need our unordered list UL tag. Inside our UL tag, we need LI tag. After our LI tag, we need what? What do we need? Let's quickly copy this so we can use it. Let's use coffee, tea, and milk. Let's say we need coffee, coffee, tea, and milk, right? We need tea, and we need what? Milk. We need milk. So inside here, let's save our document first to see what we are having. Can you see we are having coffee, tea, and milk, right? So quickly, let's style this using what? Style attribute. After the style attribute, we need list. We need list style type. List style type. This is it. So here in our tutorial here, we had that we can use the disk, circle, and square, and none. So let's use it one by one to see what we got. Let's firstly save our document like this. Maybe something will appear. Can you see? Nothing appear yet. So now let's give it value. Let's give it disk. When we give it disk and save our document, you are going to see something. Can you see? This is the default. So now let's give it circle again. Circle, and save and reload. Let's reload. Can you see? The circle shows. You can see it clearly. The circle shows. You can see it's not that bold like the other one, which is the disk. So, and we can have what again? After the circle, we can have square and none. Let's give it square and reload. Can you see we're having square? And again, we can have none. None. When we give it none, you are going to see list type style type attribute. Type property is the one you are going to see no anything here. Can you see? No listing item there, no design there again. So that's how it works, and we can specify our own. In the future tutorial I'm going to show you how you can decorate this with your special bullets that you can stay away from the other one. If you don't want it, you can use different type of thing. So with it, so I'm going to describe, but one thing I want you to notice very well is that inside our UL tag is where we are doing all these miracles. We style our URL tag with list style type property along with what? With whatsoever. We can give it square. So let's save our document again and see. Can you see? Let's now say we want to escape this. We want to give our li only this. Let's see what will happen. Let's see what will happen. Can you see? Can you see our li is having the square? One of it is having it, and we can use this one. We can do separate. Definitely, if you want to do separate something, let's say you want to use it in separate way, you can do that also. You can mix it the way you want. As you can see, they are having different, so just depend on what you want to do. So in the future tutorial we are still going to discuss about this better, but don't forget what we learned so far today is style attribute along with what? List style type. List style type along with different values that we can specify in it for the constructor. So I think we are done here today. Let's reload our document again. Now this item is having the square now, the square dots now. As you can see in our document here, you can have it different types. You can have square and circle, different type, and none. I think we are done today. Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time, and have a great day, and make sure you practice. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye.